This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make caustics in Blender. First, ensure your render engine is set to cycles, as this powerful engine is essential for realistic light simulation. Caustics are those beautiful light patterns created when light passes through or reflects off transparent or reflective objects, like water or glass. We will set up a scene with a light, a transparent object to cast the caustics, and a surface to receive them. Blender's dedicated Shadow Caustics feature makes achieving this effect straightforward and efficient. Next, let's configure your light source and the casting object's material. Select your light, such as a point or sunlight, and in its object data properties, enable the Shadow Caustics checkbox. For sharper, more defined caustics, consider reducing the light size, perhaps to 0.1 meters. For your transparent object, apply a glass BSDF material. Set its transmission value to 1 for full transparency, and its roughness to 0 for perfectly clear, crisp caustic patterns. Now we need to tell Blender which objects participate in the caustic effect. Select your transparent object, the one that will cast the caustics, and in its object properties under the shading panel, check Cast Shadow Caustics. Then, select the surface where you want the caustics to appear, like a floor or wall, and enable Receive Shadow Caustics in its shading properties. Remember, the index of refraction, or IR, of your glass material, typically around 1.45, greatly influences the light spending and the resulting caustic patterns. Finally, let's refine your render settings for optimal caustic results. In the render properties, navigate to the clamping section and set Filter Glossy to a very low value, like 0.01 or even 0, to prevent blurring. Increase the transmission bounces in the Light Paths panel to allow light to travel through multiple transparent objects. Enabling path guiding can also significantly improve caustic quality and reduce render noise. Experiment with your light's strength and position to achieve the most striking and realistic caustic patterns in your scene.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.